Real quick, welcome back to my channel, everyone. It's your girl Cassandra Olivia, and it's Saturday and it's mad people here, so I'm gonna try to make this as quick as possible. I'm going to be unboxing the Ping X by Ecoheads. I have been waiting to use this. I have a color client coming in today. She's getting red, getting a touch up, so I figured I'll unbox it now and I'll probably show you guys me using it when I'm actually using it, but let's get into it. It looks like this. All right, let's get to the unboxing part. I'm gonna just move this over just a little bit. So first off, packaging is nice. It comes with this on the inside. Let me see what's in here. Oh, it's got something. Oh, it's like a silicone scraper. Hey, okay. And then I'm guessing these are brushes. I'm just dumping it out real quickly. So first things first, it comes with 2 small brushes, 2 medium brushes, a double-sided brush slash comb, as well as a silicone scraper to get all the product out. So really, really nice addition. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 right here. Sorry y'all, my hands are a little ashy and I took my nails off, so don't judge. They just look like this. All right, bet. Stick that to the side. The little bag. Then you have the Ping, which I'm about to throw this on the charger because I'm pretty sure it needs a charger before I use it. Oh, I don't want to grab it out all crazy. Hold on, y'all. So it looks like, oh, it looks like a little spaceship. And I'm just gonna sit it right here. And then I'm guessing it here is like the adapter for the bowls. So I got a bowl here, a bowl here. So it's 3 bowls, 4 bowls, because 1, 2, 3, 4. And then it also has this adapter right here. And got the adapter. All right. And an extra blade. Warning, avoid water in this part can cause loss of warranty. Okay, so don't get the top wet, period. And then it has, like I said, this bowl here that has a blade in it. It has an extra blade. So it's bowl here. 1, 2, 3. So you get 4 bowls. This reminds me like the PlayStation controller. It's got the different colors on there. All right, so I'm about to charge this baby up so that way when my client comes in, I'm ready to go. So I'm about to just throw this on here real quick. And then I'm about to go eat my motherfucking salad. All right, I'll put all these little extra pieces off to the side. Probably put them where I want to put these, where I want to put you. Please only use a USB type charger. Must be closed while operating. Okay. So this is just a warning label. I'm taking this off. Don't get the top wet. Gotcha. Bing. She a little dusty from the box, but we'll make it work. And now it is charging. So stay tuned for part 2. The only thing I'm gonna use from this is probably the scraper. And then everything else I'm gonna just throw back inside the packaging. All right, so from this point on, I'm just gonna do a quick voiceover just because I have music playing and I just don't feel like playing the rest of the original audio. So really quickly, I just wanted to show you guys, this is the first time I used the Ping. I used it for the first time just using regular color. This was just a Rust red that I mixed with a Rust developer. But I just wanted to show you guys the consistency of how it mixes your products. I do like that. And overall, I do like this ping. It's a really good investment. The only thing I will say, because y'all know I'm going to be completely blunt and this was not sponsored, I did pay for this with my own money. It retails for $200. The only thing I will say is, like, when you're mixing the lightener, which is like this is what I specifically got it for. So the blonde solutions, you guys, if you use it, you have to mix it for 3 to 4 minutes, and they legit mean like 4 minutes, like not, you know, whisk it for, you know, as long as you can and then stop. Like, they legit mean like whisk it till your arm falls off, because it has these colorful red and blue, I believe, explosive crystals, I want to say, that have to like disperse through the product. So you want to keep whisking it so that way that can distribute. So that way when you're applying your lightener, you don't have random like blue and purple and red spots in the hair, okay? So I got it for that. I'm just showing you guys really quickly. I just sped up the video. I'm mixing up the blonde solutions. The only thing I did not like was when I go to remove this, you're going to see that in the center of the, the blade, it's like the product is like clumped a little bit in the center, and I'll show you what I mean in just a second. So I did have to go in and just mix it a little bit more. But other than that, I really do like it for like regular colors. But for me, for somebody who specifically purchased it for the blonde solutions, I wish that they made like another blade or something that you can get that product in the center. And like, y'all will see what I mean in just a second. I just wanted to let this play so you can kind of get the feel. And if you're a creep like me, I tried to find videos of this ping and I could not find them anywhere. So I wanted to give you guys a completely honest review, unbiased. And here I am just using the scraper that came with the packaging and everything that I showed in the beginning. And as you can see, if you look in the dead center, I'm going to zoom in just a sec. There is like a little bit of that blonde solutions that isn't mixed. And I don't know, that bothers me because it's like, I want a consistent product, and if I'm going to invest in a $200 mixer, I want it to mix and blend TF out of my products. You feel me? So I'm just wiping that off. And this was like a day that I was actually doing color. So I'm like, let me just zoom in and show you guys what I mean so you can kind of get an idea. So the first mix wasn't too bad, but I just felt like this is one of those things where if I use blonde solutions, I'm either going to have to mix it and then do like my own little quick mix, like maybe 2 or 3 times in the beginning, just because right here, you see how it's white powder in the center and in the bowl as well. So the perimeter is mixed to perfection. But this middle part, I was just like, dang, I got to go in and mix that more. And I wanted to, you know, of course, mix that for 4 minutes because I want to make sure that it doesn't have those, you know, those colors explode in my client's hair and then cause like, you know, discoloration. So that's the only downside I'll say. But overall, I think it was because I just mixed a little bit more lightener here. But again, if the bowl is a certain size, I should be able to mix it up to how big the bowl is or just under that. You feel me? So I'm going to continue to play around with it and give you guys some more feedback. But thank you guys so much for watching, and I will have my hair color videos dropping soon.